And welcome back to Mastercraft Custom Sabres. Just thought I'd bring you out in the shop with me for a quick minute. Show you sort of what goes on behind the scenes as far as the work on the physical body of the Sabre. This piece right here is a piece I'm finishing boring out for a portion of the blade holder. Just got a couple more passes to make, clean up the inside of this right here. Then we're ready for threading. So sit back and take a look at what goes on. Alright, got the rest of that opened up, cut our thread relief in the back so that when we're threading we don't run into solid material, and I think we are ready to go. Slow it down just a little bit so that we're going at a nice feed rate and not working so fast as to lose control. And we are ready to thread as soon as we touch off. Zero out the cross feed, and we're good to go. More pass should do it. We'll at least check the fit of our threads at that point. We'll see how it's coming along so far. Oh, look at that. Like a glove, nice and solid. This piece isn't anything special, just a piece of spare stock I had sitting around that I already threaded the end on, just in case we were wondering. And there it is, nice and tight. So this piece right here is ready to come off, threaded onto the rest of the portion of the Sabre, and finish turning down the outside dimensions. That way we keep it nice and concentric, and you don't have any portions that are off when it's threaded together. Nature of the beast when working with milled stock, you got to make some adjustments like that. But that is short little demo of sort of what goes on in the machine shop. So hope you enjoyed watching this. If you'd like to see more machining videos in the future, we make more or less everything that we use out here in the shop. So if you'd like to see more videos of that in the future, give us a thumbs up, give it a like, let us know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.